Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about algorithm. So let's start. What is algorithm? An algorithm is a finite list of instructions most often used in solving problem or performing a task. It is a very common thing in our life, but probably we don't know about it. If I was to tell you that you may have followed some algorithms hundreds and thousands of times, I think you won't be surprised. So let's begin. We can explain algorithm in technical approach and in non-technical approach. In non-technical approach, algorithm is a step-by-step method of solving a problem. We use algorithm in everyday tasks, such as a recipe to bake a cake. If you want to make a cake, then you have to go through certain steps. That means you have to follow some order, like mixing all the ingredients properly, set it in a jar and then place it for cooking, either in oven or in any other way. Similarly, if you want to get ready to go outside, then you have to do it by following some order, because generally you can't put on your pant after putting on your shoes. In technical approach, an algorithm is a detailed series of instructions for carrying out an operation or solving a problem. It is mostly used in computer science because computer cannot do anything without being told what to do. Computers use algorithm to list the detailed instruction for carrying out an operation, like for searching something in computer, storing elements, for computing an employee's paycheck. Computer always use an algorithm. Have you ever think how Google Map offer you the best route always, and how Google search return you hundreds of pages after your one click? Because they use sophisticated algorithm to do so. So let's take a short look on this picture. Here, computer is taking a list of number as input, and the work is to return a sorted list as output. Here for sorting, there are a bunch of sorting algorithms are available, like insertion sort, selection sort, merge sort, etc. We can apply any one, and every time correct set of output values must be produced from each set of input. This is known as correctness. It is an important property of algorithm, like other properties: input, output, correctness, definiteness, effectiveness, and finiteness. If you could remember, for sorting a list of numbers, we had different sorting algorithm, which means that multiple solutions can be possible for solving a particular problem. For example, if I ask how to go to Nilkhet from Dhanmondi, probably I will get 5 or 6 ways to go Nilkhet from Dhanmondi. Now question is that which route should I take? In this point, the term algorithm analysis comes as an hero, because now I have to analyze all 6 routes and choose the best one for me. To do so, I will consider 2 factors, time and the second one is cost, because I want a path with less time and lower cost. It is called optimal solution. Optimal solution is the best solution from all feasible solutions. So basically, algorithm analysis is the mathematical study of computer program performance and resource uses. This performance and resource use analysis is really very much important, because when it's real-time requirement, if your program is not fast enough, it's simply not functional, and if your program uses too much memory, simply not going to work for you. This is known as time complexity and space complexity. So let's know about what is time complexity. Time complexity defines as a process of determining a formula for total time required towards successful execution of an algorithm. This calculation will be independent of implementation details and programming language. Basically, during the execution, how much time the algorithm will take, that will be decided by the time complexity. So now, let's know about space complexity. Space complexity defines as the process of determining a formula for predicting of how much memory space will be required for the successful execution of the algorithm. The memory space we generally consider is the space of primary memory. So basically, during the runtime, how much space the program will occupy. That will decided by the space complexity.